This is essentially a final warning for four of the nation's largest cities that if they do not cooperate with specific federal immigration policies, they could be required to pay back millions of dollars in federal money. Today, the Justice Department sent letters to New York City, Philadelphia, New Orleans, and both Chicago and Cook County, Illinois, where the city resides, informing the jurisdictions that they are not properly sharing information with federal immigration authorities. This announcement comes after a review by DOJ, which announced in July new conditions for cities to be eligible for a specific set of federal grant money. In a statement with this latest warning, Attorney General Jeff Sessions said jurisdictions that adopt so-called sanctuary policies also adopt the view that the protection of criminal aliens is more important than the protection of law-abiding citizens and of the rule of law. I urge all jurisdictions found to be out of compliance in this preliminary review to reconsider the policies that undermine the safety of their residents. Now, if those cities don't change their policies, they could, in theory, be forced to pay back millions of dollars in grant money, and they have until October 27th to provide further evidence that they are in compliance. Sandra?
Garrett, how does this announcement relate to the ruling of a federal judge last month that blocked the government from withholding funds from sanctuary cities?
Yeah, so that case dealt with federal funding going forward, and today's announcement is looking at specific grants that have already been awarded and is essentially telling these cities that they may have not been in compliance with the requirements to receive those funds, which is why if they don't make changes or show evidence that they are in compliance, those millions of dollars in funding could, in theory, have to be paid back to the federal government.